Dear friends, I am Jojo Matthew from ALS Delhi. We are excited to announce that we are conducting a face-to-face live classes for civil service exam at the MIIT campus in Shillong. Our faculty members are experts from Delhi, bringing you the best guidance and support. Now we are starting a new batch on 8th July 2024, designed to prepare you for a civil service exam 2025. This full one-year course will comprehensively cover the entire syllabus of general studies, including the preliminary exam, main exam, essay, CSAT, and even the interview training. This comprehensive package is tailored to meet all your needs for the IAS exam as well as the Meghalaya PCS exam. We are also pleased to announce a one-day, 4-hour orientation session on Saturday, 6th July at our Shillong Center, and I will be there to address you. The session will begin at 8 a.m. and is open to all civil service aspirants in Meghalaya. This free orientation program is available to everyone, regardless of whether you have joined our institute or not. The session will cover all aspects of the civil service exam, including its syllabus, preparation strategies, and winning techniques. This is a valuable opportunity to gain insights that can significantly aid in your exam preparation. So friends, I warmly invite you to attend this free orientation program. The insights you gain will be invaluable in strategizing your approach to the civil service exam. Please book your seat over phone or by visiting our center at MIIT Danketi at Shillong. Join us to embark on your journey towards success. We are waiting for you. See you on 6th of July 2024.